Alright, story time. So, up front, I have the F30 brake calipers and rotors, but in the back, in the 335, I decided to go with the 135i calipers. In terms of rotors, the regular 135i rotors will not fit, so the backup idea here is to use the performance rotors from the 330i E90 or the 328i E90. They do need to be the performance upgrade, so that's the one thing to factor in. One thing to take notice of here is that the brake shoes, the hub, all of this entire assembly is actually identical between the 335 and the 330i. So with my research, these performance rotors should work on this hub here. I can actually confirm that it does, since in the back I have installed them. So you can see the 135i calipers here. Handbrake is fully functional, and all that's left is to install the other side, bleed it. That's my nice little seat there. Bleed it, and we'll be good to go. In terms of the rotor itself, I'll leave the comment, the actual product ID number in the description below. I bought mine off of VCS Tuning. Up to you where you want to buy it, but that's the idea there. So just kind of give you an idea, for the 335i E90, you can use the 135i calipers as long as you use the performance rotors. So there you have it. Long story short, 135i rear calipers can be mounted on the 335. Just need to use the appropriate rotors here, the performance ones for the 330. Once again, link in the description. You can see mounted up on both sides. So had to do a little bit of investigation, but overall got it to work. And then obviously in the front I'm using the F30 calipers, but that's a whole other situation, which is plenty of YouTube videos that are out on that. But there you have it.